Okay.
So can you do something for me? Can you do something for me?
For what?
Can you take off your glasses? Just take off your glasses. Take off your glasses. I want take off your glasses for a while.
Let's go.
Flowers bloom, girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom, girl, you make the stars collide. Please don't waste my time.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
Good. What about you? How are you?
I am good. So do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Who is your boyfriend?
Good man.
I am also a good man. That's for you.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
how
Where are you from?
I am from India,
Which city?
Delhi.
Okay.
So how old?
Do you study somewhere?
Yeah, I study in US. I study in US. So
We are 20 years old. And about you?
I am 20. I am same 20 years old.
Oh.
But you look like what? But you look like 14. You look like 14. That's factual.
Thank you.
Do you know why? Do you know why?
Why?
Because you are the one for me.
तेरे संग इश्क तारी है, तेरे संग एक खुमारी है, तेरे संग
Do you know you look like someone? You look like someone.
Who?
My future wife.
तेरे नाल करना प्यार वे.
So you need to create something for.
That's my heart for you. That's my heart for you. That's my. What's your name? What's your name?
What is
Anna and
Albina? And your?
My name is Baby.
Betty.
Baby.
Baby.
Babe.
I am your baby now. I am your baby now.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
What are your hobbies except talking?
Flirting.
Yes, except flirting.
And my hobbies is singing. Oh, so sorry, music player. I am a music player. I play a song on our weddings.
Oh.
So
Can you sing something?
I am not a singer. I am a DJ. I sing like a musician.
What?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So what's your name?
Ohona. Ahona.
But I want to call you baby.
Please fucking don't, because you're fucking ugly.
You are. I love you.
Can you speak Russian?
I love you.
Oh.
You speak English?
Yes, bro. I can speak English.
Where are you from?
I am from India, bro.
Arabia?
India.
India. Okay.
So, do you know Pakistan? Do you know Pakistan?
I don't know exactly. I'm natural.
So, do you know who is the father of Pakistan? Who is the father of Pakistan?
That India is the father of Pakistan.
Yo, bro. India is the father of Pakistan. You are right, bro.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. What is your name?
My name is Baby.
Baby?
Yeah, Baby.
What? Oh my God.
And what is your name?
My name is Sophie.
I love you, Sophie. I love you.
Oh my god! Look at
आपको नेपाली आती है?
अरे नेपाली नहीं,
शायद म तिमीलाई माया गर्छु।
मतलब क्या होता है इसका?
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है।
मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ।
मैं भी तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। अरे वो कैसे बोलेंगे, मुझे तुमसे शादी करनी है, वो कैसे बोलेंगे?
म तिमीसँग बिहे गर्न चाहन्छु।
मैं तैयार हूँ, चलो।
दास लेके आ जाओ।
करती है क्या इशारे।
मैं तैयार हूँ। अरे इतना चोट लग रही, मेरे तब लगा रखा।
किधर से गिर गया?
अरे
किधर से?
मैं तुम्हारे प्यार में गिर गया था ना, तो जरा चोट लगी। Hello. That's for you.
Thank you! Smart, don't go. You're a good boy!
Yeah, I'm a good boy. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
So where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from China. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where?
India.
Oh, India.
So you are from China?
Yeah, I'm from China, your neighbor.
So wo I need.
说我爱你。
So how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 19.
But you look like 14. You look like 14.
I look like 14
14.
because Asian. I'm Asian.
No. Do you want to know why you look like 14? Do you want to know?
Why?
Because you are the one for me.
Touchdown, Mumbai, baby. New place, new city, I'm fly, baby. I'm in India, baby, come ride with me.
हाय, कैसे हो आप? मैं उत्तराखंड से। आप?
मैं कहाँ से हूँ?
आप? असम अरुणाचल प्रदेश।
सही।
कहाँ से हो?
अरुणाचल।
So what's your name?
Nora.
Oh my god, okay, it's happening. Everybody sick.
Baby.
Mumbai, baby. New place, new city, I'm fly, baby. I'm in India.
सही खेल गया मैन।
ऋतिक रोशन को जानते हो?
हाँ।
ठीक है। Are you a ऋतिक रोशन fingers?
No.
Because you are 11 out of 10.
The store. Get some bands, get some more. I'ma always score.